Welcome to Coindelta, India's most trusted cryptocurrency exchange. This video will guide you how to use Coindelta website. Open your browser and visit www.coindelta.com. You will be redirected to Coindelta's home page. First of all, you have to sign up or register as a new user. You will find the sign up button on the top right corner of the home page. Clicking it will redirect you to a form. Fill the form with all the required details. Make sure you provide a secure password and agree to the terms and conditions specified. On submitting the form, you will receive an email for user verification process. Open your email inbox and look for welcoming email from Coindelta. You will find an 8-digit OTP. Enter this OTP in the confirm email form provided and complete the captcha process and click the confirm email button. That's all. You are a part of Coindelta. Now you can log in with your credentials. On entering your email and password, you will receive a login OTP in your email inbox. Enter this OTP and you are successfully logged in to Coindelta. The next step is to provide a KYC document. A valid PAN card is required for KYC verification. In the profile section of your website, you will find the KYC section. Clicking it will open the KYC submission form. Fill out the form with all the required details and a scanned copy of your PAN front and click submit. Your provided KYC will be processed and approved within 30 minutes. Next step is to provide a bank document. Your account statement, a cancelled check, or passbook details are required for bank verification. In the profile section of the website, you will find the payment method section. Clicking it will open the payment method submission form. Click the payment method, fill out the form with all the required details and a scanned copy of the document and click submit. Your provided details will be processed and approved within 30 minutes. Coindelta has the fastest INR deposits with the support of IMPS, UPI, NEFT and RTGS. In the wallet section of the website, you will find all the balances of your INR as well as other cryptocurrencies. To deposit INR, click the deposit button. Select the preferred payment method and fill out the form. You will be provided the details for depositing INR to your preferred payment method. Complete the transaction and enter your transaction ID. Your deposit will be confirmed within 15 minutes and your balance will be automatically reflected in your wallet. Now you are all set to do crypto trading. Visit the market section of the website. Advanced Market will show you the order book, the trade history and other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, etc. Your balance will be shown here. There will be two entries, the best bid, the best cost. If let's say you have put 26.11, the price of your XRP, and let's say you're buying 4 XRP, the best bid is
greater than your price. So your order will be on the topmost in the order book. Now let's say you have to sell your XRP, but you can't sell it because you don't have that much XRP. So your order will be shown in your open orders. You can cancel it or wait for it to be executed. If you decide to buy your XRP at a price higher than the best bid, so you say the best bid is 26.11 and you place an order for 26.12. So this order will be on the top of the order book, 26.12, and now it becomes the best bid. If you see the order book, the best ask is of 26.13. The best ask is in the red, the least value in the red. So let's say we place an order of 26.13 for 4 XRP. So by placing an order and confirming it, your order will be placed and will be picked. That the sell order was picked at your price. You can check your orders and also in the trade history of your order book. See, you have executed a trade. Successful execution of the trade will result in reflecting the balance in your wallet. Now you have bought 4 XRP. Now you can see the fees has been cut and your XRP is the remaining XRP after fees reduction. So now you can sell these XRP with the price whichever you want. You can view all your orders in the open order section, and if you wish you can cancel your order. Your order will be removed from your order book. Now let's say you wish to sell your XRP at a price which is a bit less than the best ask. The best ask is 26.13 and you wish to sell all your XRP at 26.12, which is lesser than the best ask. So the new best ask will be 26.12 as it is the highest price of the selling. Now you can check your open orders and find your order which is ready to be picked and reflected in the order book. Just like your buy orders, you can even cancel your sell orders. Your order will be removed from the order book. Now if you wish to pick any order from the sell orders, so let's say you have to pick 26.82. This order will be picked from the sell order book and it will be executed. Now the remaining XRP will be shown in your wallet.
If you wish to withdraw your INR to your bank account, visit the wallet section to find your INR balance. To withdraw INR to your bank account, click the withdraw button. Your balance will be shown which you can withdraw by filling the amount section of the form. On clicking the withdraw button, you will receive an email which you can either authorize or cancel. To proceed with the withdrawal, click on Authorize Withdrawal. Doing this will authorize your withdrawal. You can check your transactions in the transaction sections of your wallet. If you wish to deposit cryptocurrencies from any other exchange or your personal wallet, you need to visit your wallet section and click on Deposit button, where you can generate a new address for the given cryptocurrency. Use this address to deposit cryptocurrency to your Coindelta wallet. Make sure you read the instructions carefully and deposit more than the minimum deposit amount. If you wish to withdraw your cryptocurrencies to any other exchange or your personal wallet, you need to visit your wallet section in the website and click on Withdraw button. Fill the form by entering a wallet address, the amount, and click on the Withdraw button. You will receive an email which you can either authorize or cancel. To proceed with the withdrawal, click Authorize. Doing this will authorize your withdrawal. You can check your transactions in the transactions section of the wallet. Your withdrawal will be confirmed and your balance will be reflected in your wallet. Congratulations! Now you know how to use the best Indian crypto exchange, Coindelta.